Hello there. So this video is going to be about how to start Airflow. So there is a link I'm going to put on the chat. It will basically take you to this page where you can install Airflow on your system. So when you are installing Airflow, you have to specify this admin details like the username, password, and the role and email. So those are the things you have to specify because you are going to need this detail to log into your Airflow UI. So without further ado, let's get started. So I've installed Airflow on my system. I'm using Ubuntu 18.04, and inside Airflow folder you have the DAGs, which is basically where your Airflow DAGs are saved. So these DAGs, you can view them on the UI, and the way you can start your Airflow UI is basically, so let me open a terminal. So you can use Airflow Webserver. So if you use Airflow Webserver, so sometimes you can specify the port, but if you just use Webserver, it's just going to start it for you. As you can see here, the host is 8080. So if I go back to the web browser and specify localhost, localhost 8080. So it's going to show me the Airflow UI. In some case, you may have to use your details like username and password to log in. But I've logged in before, that's why it's just automatically going to the page. So as you can see, right, you've got your Airflow UI. These are the DAGs I've written. This is one of my DAGs, bash operator command. So what this DAG is doing is basically so I can view the graph here. So what it's doing is basically starting Hadoop, starting Zookeeper, and starting Kafka server. So if I go here and do JPS, as you can see, the Hadoop is not started yet. So if I try to run this DAG, so let's see. It's been a while I've used okay, let me start the scheduler. So to start the Airflow scheduler, you have to write Airflow scheduler. So that is basically what is going to schedule your task for you. So as you can see, it's starting the Airflow scheduler, right? So let me refresh. Okay, as you can see, it's starting the Hadoop, right? So that means it's basically running. As you can see, we've got a new terminal here where it's starting Hadoop. So it's starting dfs.sh basically. So this one is running. So it's finished running. So it's going to start Kafka Zookeeper. If everything goes well, it should start it. Otherwise, yeah, I think that one is skipped. So I guess this one is going to fail for some reason. Anyway, I just want to show you how it's basically working. So if I go back to the terminal here, and okay, so if I say GPS, we should be able to see. Okay, so basically it starts DFS, right? So resource manager, configuration manager. So anyway, that is how it works. It's been a while I've looked into the code. I just want to show you how you can start your airflow, and so to stop it, you can, this is the airflow scheduler, right? You can use Ctrl+C on your system, so it's going to use the keyboard key to stop it, and so that the scheduler is stopping. So if I go to the web server, right, use Ctrl+C, so it's going to stop the web server as well. After I stop, I can refresh it. So if I refresh it now, you can see it stopped. So basically that's how you can start and stop your airflow. So the next video I'll be basically doing code along video on how to create airflow DAX. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Have a lovely day, and goodbye.